Hey everybody, what's going on? I got a unboxing video that I'm going to do today. It's of the Tasco trail camera. It's the 10 megapixel. This is the one at Walmart that's for $38. There's another one at Walmart for $28. I've had that one before. It worked pretty good. So I'm going to test out this one. So I'll unbox it for you. Here, take a look. So it comes with just the camera and the strap that goes around the tree. It takes 8 AA batteries. To get the batteries in, you just hit this little button that says eject, pull it out, there's the battery tray. I'll be testing this out on public land. That's why I like them, because they're cheap, so if somebody walks up and steals it, you don't lose a bunch of money. I'll get back with you in a couple weeks. Once I go pull it, I'm going to go put it out tomorrow. I'll do a scouting video. So it started raining out in my shed, so once that starts happening, you can't hear anything out there with the metal roof. But yeah, I've had the 8 megapixel one before. It worked pretty good, so I'm going to test this one out. I'm going to go put it out in the woods tomorrow, and I'll probably go pick it up in a couple weeks. So subscribe so you can see what the pictures or video, whatever I put it on, looks like.